cut the butterfly off, and all I'm going to do is hot glue on a bat and put it in a vase and let them fly around. I'm going to make these little bats that fly around, turn them into a little fun Halloween decoration thing. So all I'm going to do is take a bat, cut off this butterfly, put on a bat, and put them in a vase. That's it. I got this solar butterfly set. I got them on Amazon. They came in a set of 3 with these butterfly solar. So there's a blue one, a yellow one, and a red one. It does have solar panels, so if you're using it outside, it will be on when getting sun, or you can open up this compartment and it takes one AAA battery. Insert the battery like so, snap the cover back in, and then it comes with these little extension pieces, and these just slide into place, and then the last one. So now you have a stake that you can put in the ground or in potted plants. I'm actually going to use them inside for a little project, but most of the time they go outside. There is a switch on the back, on the bottom, solar mode or in the battery mode. So I'm going to turn it on right now so you can see what it does. So they just flutter around. But I'm going to take off the butterflies and I'm going to put on bats. So I got these 3D bats that they have little seams that you can fold and make them more 3-dimensional. So I'm going to cut off the wings. There we go. I'll just glue that guy on there. Okay. You can either use the solar or there's a battery in here.